Hey guys, I know I told you it was coming, and it's here. If you watched my last video, you know what I'm talking about. Look at that. Ain't that a beaut? Pretty excited. Don't know how to use it yet. I did print out the handbook, and I'm going to learn. I already started reading it and learning how to do some of the things. Got the cleaning tools there. I got 2 air hoses. I got 1 airbrush, the gravity fed, I think it is. Got that airbrush with the, I think it's pressure fed. The hose, I think it's a stand. You got the multi-fitting tool. And I got this thing in case I decide to paint the house. So yeah, came yesterday. Pretty excited to learn how to use it and start using it and start doing, hopefully being able to do some of the things I see you guys doing. If you have any advice, or tips for me, I gladly welcome them. I do have the handbook that I'm reading and learning how to do all this. Yeah, so pretty excited. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. If you haven't already, please click the like button and subscribe. And I thank you to all my new and old subscribers. And we'll see you next time. God bless.